Curtis, do this here. Now, we're back on the record in cause number 329-380. The case is styled the state of Texas versus versus Christopher Derrick Curtis. Is that your full name?
Yes, sir.
Okay. How you doing, Mr. Curtis?
Great.
That's good. Mr. Curtis, would you please raise your right hand? Mr. Curtis, do you swear or affirm to tell the truth, the whole truth, nothing but the truth, so help you God?
Yes, sir.
Mr. Curtis, you may put your hand down. Mr. Curtis, the document that you have before you is titled Standard Bond Conditions in County Court Law Number 2. And it reads, following arrest and or accusation in County Court Law Number 2, Jefferson County, Texas, all bail bonds executed for release of any defendant named herein are ordered subject to the following additional conditions. Number 1, the defendant shall commit no offense against the laws of this state, any other state, or of the United States. Do you understand that condition?
Yes, sir.
Condition number 2, the defendant shall submit to testing for drugs and alcohol at any time as directed by the court. The court may revoke the bond and order the arrest of any defendant who, A, refuses to submit to a test for drugs and alcohol when directed to do so by the court, or B, submit to a test for drugs and alcohol, and the test indicates the presence of drugs or alcohol in the defendant's body. And that's pursuant to the Texas Code of Criminal Procedure, Article 17.44, Section A2 and Section C2. Do you understand that condition?
Yes, sir.
Condition number 3, the defendant shall not communicate either directly or indirectly with the alleged victim of the pending offense, and the defendant shall not go near any residence, school, or other location frequented by the alleged victim. Do you understand that
Yes, sir.
condition? And condition number 4 doesn't apply because that only applies in DWI second cases. Mr. Curtis, if you violate any of these conditions, your bond can be revoked, and if your bond revoked, warrant will be issued for your arrest and you'll be placed in the Jefferson County Jail. Now, Mr. Curtis, stand on the end in front of our court coordinator. Your case will be reset, and you have been appointed an attorney. Your attorney's name is Terrence Ellis.
327-781-7635.